Hello students, in the previous video we learned what are the different type of recursion as well as we learned tail recursion. Now in this video we will learn head recursion. Same process will follow. First of all we will understand what is head recursion. Thereafter we will see how we can apply it in a program. Then we will do the dry run so that we can understand it clearly how exactly it is doing the things. So let's start. Now it's time to see what is head recursion. So here it says that the statement which is responsible for the recursion is the first statement of the method. So what exactly it is trying to say? The statement which is responsible for the recursion, that means it is talking about the method call inside the method body, which is responsible for the recursion. Then we can have the operational statement. That means after that statement we can have any operational statement. What is called operational statement? The statement which exactly performing the operation for the method. That means either display or any sort of calculation which is required for that particular method. That has to be written after the call. Anything else? Yes. No operational statement. Indirectly it is talking about the same thing. No operational statement should be written. What is operational statement? We have already learned over here. The statement which is doing the operation for the method before the statement that is responsible for the recursion. That means after the method call inside the method body only we can write the operational statements. Next it says that the method does not do any operation at the time of calling. That means when I am calling the method for recursion, during that period, don't do any specific operation that is required for the method. All the operational statements, look at this, all the operational statements has to be done at the time of returning. That means when all the recursive call is completed, when the base case is false, after that it will start executing your operational statements. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है ना? जब हम प्रोग्राम में जाएंगे आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. Now it's time to check the program. Here the program says that write a program to display each digit of a number from left to right. The most important, again I am underlining it, it is asking for left to right. Normally we used to display the number from right to left in case of each digit. Let's see. This is the header of the method. Return type is void. Function name is show. int no is the formal parameter. This is the opening body, or we can say beginning of the method, inside which I am giving the base condition. If number is greater than 0, that means here I am saying that it will recursively call the method till the number is not 0. If it is 0, I will stop calling it. Now it is the beginning body of the if condition. This is the recursive call method, the statement which is responsible for the recursion. Function name so, and the actual parameter is no by 10. I am sending the quotient of the number to the formal parameter again. Next is my operational statement, the statement which is fulfilling the requirement of the program. Here I am displaying the number with println. Now it is the closing body of the if condition and closing of the method. Let's start the dry run. Suppose user has given the number 1597. Then inside the body what I am going to check if the number is greater than 0. 1597 condition is true. Then it will enter into the body of the if condition. This is the body of the if condition, inside which the recursive case is no by 10. That makes it 159 because the quotient is 159. But before transferring the control, look at this, before transferring the control to the header of the method, it will store the pending statement, the statement which is unable to execute, not executed part kept in stack. We are putting it in the stack. So that means this statement is not executed because it transfers the control back to the method header, where the number will be 159 now. Inside the body of the method, 159 is greater than 0 in a if condition will be checked, which is true again. After that, NO by 10, quotient will be 15. Then call the method, but before calling the method, the statement which is not executed will be kept inside the stack. Look at this. I am keeping this in the stack. It is not executed. During that period, the number is 159. You can check. The number is 159, not 15. Because this is NO by 10. It is not NO is equal to NO by 10. Both are different. So, after that, it will transfer the control to the method header, which will make it 15. Now, NO is 15. Because 15 is stored in NO. In the if condition, 15 is greater than 0, condition is true. It will get into the body of the if condition, NO by 10, the quotient is 1. Then call the method, but before calling the method, the statement which is not executed will be kept on the stack. During that period, the number is 15. You can check it from here. Now it will transfer the control from method call to method definition, where the number is changed from 15 to 1 because quotient is 1. In if condition, I will check 1 is greater than 0, condition is true. Find out the quotient of the number, that is 0. 1 divided by 10, quotient is 0. Call the method, but store the pending instruction in the stack, that is display NO, where NO is 1. After that, transfer the control to the method header and pass the actual parameter to the formal parameter. So now NO will become 0. 0 is greater than 0. The base condition is false now. Now I will stop calling this method recursively. So now we move to the stack to execute the pending instructions. So that's why in the theory we said that it will execute all the operational statements when it will come out of the recursion or at the time of returning. So here it will execute from top to bottom because stack extracts the element from top to bottom. So top one is system.out.println 1. So when it will execute, it will display 1 in the output. The next it will execute system.out.println 15. So 15 will be after 1 because of println. Next statement will execute print 159 because NO value is 159. It is next line because of println. Again it will display this is println, not print, 1597. So it will display 1597 and the stack is empty now. So now the program will stop. Hope everybody has understood clearly. I have tried my level best to make you understand. This is the time for homework. Let's see how many of you can able to give the correct answer, so that I will see that how many of you have understood perfectly. From the answer only I can able to understand it. It says that if ST, this one is your ST contains parity and the second parameter NO contains 5. Then the body of the method says that the base condition is NO greater than 0. That means it is checking the second parameter. Inside the if condition, the statement which is responsible for the recursion, that it is calling the method, it is passing ST first parameter and the second parameter is minus NO. Then what this statement is called? The statement who is performing the operation, that is operational statement. It is displaying with ln. st.substring method it is using and passing no as a parameter to this. Then close the body of if condition and closing body of the method. Now it is your time to write down the answer in my YouTube comment section. Let's see who is giving the correct answer and who is giving first answer. With this, thank you.